Paul Davis.
Diolch, Llywydd. Trefnydd, I'd like to request a statement from the Welsh Government on the delivery of vocational qualifications here in Wales. Yesterday, I visited Pembrokeshire College's Centre for Land-Based Learning in Haverfordwest with my colleague Samuel Kurtz, and we learnt about the range of agriculture and animal care and management courses that the college now offers. These courses are very popular, so much so that the faculty has had an almost 50% increase of current learners compared to the target set by the college for this academic year. The college has also established strong partnerships with some local businesses, which gives learners valuable work experience and helps develop their skills for jobs in the future. Trefnydd, the Welsh Government should be doing more to support and promote these sort of qualifications and roll out best practice where possible. Therefore, I'd be grateful if we could have a statement on vocational qualifications so that we can learn more about how the Welsh Government is providing opportunities for learners in our communities.
Paul Davis, and thank you for giving that really positive feedback from your visit to Pembrokeshire College and looking where you saw that real delivery of vocational qualifications, very much related to the local economy, rural Wales, and the skills that are needed. So I will share this with the Minister for Further and Higher Education, because I know of her absolute passionate commitment to vocational, promoting vocational qualifications, and that route to skills, employability, and of course Jack Sargent also acknowledging that as well, because many of those students will be lead on to apprenticeships and jobs in the community. So thank you for raising that this afternoon.